Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a very wearable, soft, glam look for you. I usually do very like dramatic and colorful looks, so I just thought I would do a more wearable, everyday kind of glam still makeup look for you. So yeah, if you would like to see the look that I create, then just please keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with my brows. I recently did do a small change. I still use the same product, which is the Milani Stay Put Brow Color pomade, and the only thing that I changed is just the shade. I used to use 04 Brunette, which was like a dark brown, and now I'm using 01 Soft Brown, which is a much lighter shade. I am going to zoom you in now, that way you can see how I shape and clean up my brows. Okay, so first I am going to outline the bottom part of my brow, staying as close to my natural hairs. Start filling in where I have missing hair, and then just in the inner part I'm just going to start flicking upwards, creating somewhat of natural hair like strokes. Now to clean it up, I'm going to use a little bit of my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and this angled brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to start at the bottom and just clean up around the edges of my brow. Gonna blend that out, and then I'm just gonna blend out the inner part. Okay, and that is how I currently do my brows. I am gonna do the other one off camera. So my brows are done. So now I'm gonna conceal my eyelids, and for that I'm gonna use the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. Has really good coverage, and I've really been enjoying it like a lot. Just gonna blend that into my eyelids. Okay, now I'm just going to set that with my Fit Me powder. And now our eyelids are prepped for eyeshadow. I'm going to zoom you in even more to do my eyeshadow. That way you get to see every detail, and then I'll zoom you back out to do the rest of my face. Okay, so first I'm going to take this color right here, and that's going to go on my brow bone. Now I'm going to take Roxy from the Subculture palette by Anastasia, and I'm going to put that on my crease as a transition shade. Okay, now I'm going to take the color Fudge, and I'm going to put that right on my crease. Then I'm going to go back in with Roxy and kind of blend that out even further. I'm going to deepen up that brown a little bit more by using this Cypress Umber from the Reinassance palette. Okay, now I'm going to take this LA Girl concealer in the shade Porcelain, and I'm going to clean up my eyelid. Now to create this, you just want to mainly stay on your lid and then bring it up just a tad bit above your natural crease. Okay, now I'm going to take the shade Adorin, this beautiful bronze right here. I am going to take some setting spray. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild setting spray and just wet my brush a little bit, just to enhance that shade a little bit better. Now with my finger, I'm going to take a little bit of Dawn, and I'm going to put that right on top of the color Adorin, to make it pop a little bit more. Okay, now we're gonna take a little bit more of that Cypress Umber and just blend out the edges. Now for liner, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. So first I'm going to create a line straight out, and then just do it as long as you want your wing to be. And I'm just going to create a triangle coming in. And then just fill it in. And then just start connecting the rest of the liner throughout your eye. Okay, so I did apply my lashes off camera because, girl, I struggled with them today. I have a little friend over there watching my every move. Okay, so to conceal my under eyes, I'm going to use again the Maybelline Age Rewind. Just going to apply that all under there. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques sponge to blend that out. Okay, now to cream contour, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation stick, and I am almost out, but it is so good. It's really creamy. And I'm going to use this e.l.f. stippling brush to blend that out. Foundation, I'm gonna mix the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 228 and the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in the number 0910, and a little bit in the back of my hand. And I am going to just use my Real Techniques And to set that, again, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder. Now to contour, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Contour Palette, and this is the Caramel Toffee. I'm going to take the darker shade and just contour my cheekbones. Okay, I'm gonna zoom y'all back in to finish up the eyes. So first I'm gonna take a little bit of Roxy first on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take the shade Adorn and put that just in the inner part of my lower lash line. So my camera died, but I did apply Cypress Umber really tightly in my lower lash line. Now for mascara, I'm going to use the Tarte Tartiste mascara. Now for inner corner highlight, I'm going to take Golden Bronze from the Anastasia highlight palette. You know what? I want something a little brighter. So I'm going to take Sunburst. Yeah, that's much better. Now I'm going to zoom y'all back out to finish the rest of my face. Okay, now I'm going to take those same two shades from the highlighting palette to highlight my cheekbones. To line my lips, I'm going to use the lip liner Rockin' Rose by Jordana. And for lipstick, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit. So that's it for this makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and that it was kind of easy to follow. Like I said, I wanted to use more wearable colors, more neutrals, but it's still a soft glam and it's very wearable for any type of event, or if you just want to lay around in the house with this look, it is perfect for that as well. So I'm going to continue to film more makeup looks for you. Give this video a thumbs up for that. But yeah guys, other than that, I got nothing else to say. Thank you for watching and I'll be seeing you on my next video, okay? Take care. Bye!